Hello everyone, my name is Neil from Dreamtree English, and in this video, we are going to do some pronunciation practice with 3 popular businesses. So, let's get started. Okay everyone, business number 1. Please listen and repeat. McDonald's. McDonald's. Very good. Please repeat the example sentence. Let's get some lunch at McDonald's. Okay, good job. This time, a little faster. Let's get some lunch at McDonald's. All right, good job, everyone. Okay, business number 2. Please listen and repeat. Ikea. Ikea. All right, good job. Now, please repeat the example sentence. I love the furniture at Ikea. Okay, good job. Now, this time a little faster. I love the furniture at Ikea. Okay, everyone, good job. Okay, and our last one, business number 3. Please listen and repeat. Google. Google. All right, good job. Now let's repeat the example sentence. I use Google all the time. Okay, now a little faster. I use Google all the time. All right, everyone, good job. Okay, everyone, that's it for today's lesson. If you would like to watch more easy English lessons, please click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.